Shemai pawb, my name's Bev and I'm a parenting worker within the RCT parenting team. Now today we are going to look at a session from our Incredible Years toddler programme. Now for those of you who have toddlers, you will understand that this is a really frustrating time for our toddlers. They have so many new tasks to learn. This is the time where lots of their development is taking place. And this inevitably leads to frustration, which then can lead to the temper tantrums. We've all heard about the terrible twos. So it's important that we give as much praise and encouragement to our toddlers as we can. Now, even as adults, we like to be praised and we like to be encouraged to do things. And this is exactly the same for our young children. So the first part of the session we're going to look at is giving effective praise and encouragement. And this is really important. It's not good enough just to praise. It has to be effective praise. I'm sure that as parents you'll say that you praise a lot. And this is something that I used to do, good girl, good boy. But actually we're not telling them what they're getting praised for. And throughout our parenting programs, one of our mottos is, what you pay attention to is what you get most of. So if we are praising, letting them know what we're praising them for, they're likely to repeat that behaviour. And that's what we call effective praise. Okay? So throughout the day, especially when you were tired, worn down, and you're not feeling the best yourself, that's the time when you really need to look out for the positive behaviours that your child is displaying, and you need to praise them for it. Label praise and praise immediately so that they know that they're getting praise for doing a particular positive behaviour. We've got to praise for the small steps. So if you've got a child who's learning to put on their coat, they're not going to get it first time, okay? So we don't wait until they've actually mastered the task of putting on their coat and then praise them. We praise for the efforts that they're making. So something like, oh, well done, you're trying really hard to put your coat on, okay? Don't worry about spoiling your child with praise, because as long as the praise is effective and if we keep saying good girl, good boy, and we not tell them what for, and it's just ad-lib, then that's ineffective praise. But you can't ever spoil a child with effective praise. And if you've got a child with challenging behaviours, you need to increase the praise for that child. So you need to be extra vigilant about when you're catching those positive behaviours and positive actions. And also you need to model self-praise. Lots of children who are not used to, and adults who are not used to a lot of praise, they kind of get embarrassed about it and, be suspicious. So as parents, we need to model self-praise. We need to praise ourselves, because that's what we want our children to be able to do, to be confident, for them to know that when they've achieved something, they are entitled. It's not being big-headed. You can't praise yourself. Make praise contingent on positive behaviour. So that's what we spoke about right in the beginning. It's the positive behaviours that we want to encourage. Praise with smiles, eye contact and enthusiasm. Your body language is vital and crucial in giving this effective praise. I mean, if we are saying, oh, well done, that's not effective praise. Whereas if we say something, oh, well done, you tried really hard, that's effective praise. That's what they take notice of, because they know if you're not really sincere with the praise. You can give pats and hugs along with the praise, and use praise consistently. Make it a ritual to be praising and looking for those positives. And remember, to praise in front of other people, because this makes them special and feel important. And also, it's good to start encouraging your child to praise others. So encourage them to praise you, and you do this by role modelling self-praise. Encourage them to praise themselves when they've done really well. Hope you've enjoyed this little video and insight into praise and encouragement. Just remember, it is really important. Just as we like to be praised and encouraged, so do our toddlers. And hopefully you'll give it a little go. Have a little think about the praise that you're already giving. Is it effective praise? Am I giving too much praise? Too much ineffective praise, or am I not giving enough praise? And just see how it goes this week. Stay safe, everybody. I hope you're well, and I'll be seeing you soon. Thank you. Bye.